Hi, it's Jackie from the basement with a third video of the day. What? Alright, we're going to do a flip cup after we get some gloves on. Used, but hey, I've seen worse. Alright, how's everybody doing? As I said earlier, maybe I just typed it. I really questioned why I took a shower earlier when I got all crazy with that spinner. It was a mess down here, but it was fun. Yes, it was. Alrighty. I was gonna watch the news and I thought, nah, the news is boring. Too much bad stuff. Not enough good. So, okay, what colors do we have in this cup? I bet you're wondering. Well, I'm going to tell you, if I can remember. Alright, I've got the 24K gold from Deco Art. Yes, Deco Art. I mixed that up today along with the Sapphire of Extreme Sheen Deco Art. And I put some, Artist Loft, whoopsie-doo, Artist Loft Neon Pink in there. And Artist Loft Violet, Black, White, and trying to think if there's anything else in there. I always leave something out of the list. Because I just get to mixing and my brain just goes bleh. Totally forgets things. So, we're going to do this a different way than a normal flip, I think. No, actually, we're just going to do it the regular way. So, I want to see what all the hoopla is over this gold. So, alrighty. Picking these up. One of these days I'm going to get this table leveled to where it should be. Okay. Oh, carp. There we go. Alright. And alright, can let this sit while I get these moved. Alrighty, I knew that would be a fun time. Okay, which is why I really didn't want to lift it up, but hey, what's not? Life's a challenge, right? Okay, hopefully we're still in frame here. And do I need to bring you up a little bit? Okay, I'm hoping we don't go yellow tonight. I don't know why it is doing that. Okay. Yeah, well, at least you're going to get that much of it. Okay. So, everybody come out and play. I ain't right. But you guys already knew that or you wouldn't be here. So, just pardon my head and the viewer here. Just checking things out and yeah. Okay. Let's bring this up and see what it's got to show us. Get these corners done. And as usual, I'm questioning myself. Did I put enough paint in there for the size? And what size are we doing? I have to look at this one because I can't quite remember every time. I don't know. Let me see. Here it is. This is the 12 by 16. A 12 by 16. Alrighties. Put you over here and Let's see what we can do with this. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm seeing what it's doing. It is definitely making cells. Okay. No complaints. There's some veining in there, maybe. Just trying to get it across here without losing too much. There we go. Let's try and get rid of some of this. That black there. Just, it looked kind of out of place, maybe. And now we're going to take it down here. This is interesting. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. I'm in a rush to see what you look like. Okay. Gonna have to bring it down here a bit more. Oh, it kind of looks like marbling. It's gonna make some nice skins, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna have to help that along, I believe. Oh, big time. Okay. Try not to put my hand over it. We're a lot calmer tonight than I was earlier. Okay. Alrighties. Let's get some paper towels here. Clean our hands off. Oh crud, I should have torched it before I'm doing some things backwards today, it seems. It's alright, it's all good. Okay. Alright, need a little bit more over here. Okay. Now we're going to torch. See if anything else will pop up in here. That is a nice gold in there, though, I got to admit. That is a very nice gold. Trying to bring up some extra cells if there are any. And we're going to let this set a few minutes. I'm going to put you on pause, and when we come back, I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, see you in a couple minutes. Well, actually, you won't probably even realize. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're back. Yay. Alright. To me, it looks like maybe a galaxy, but I don't know yet. Okay, here's a corner. And we're heading upward. This seems promising. And up there. Across that side. Kind of looks like a green, doesn't it? Maybe it's mixed with the black, the gold with the black. Made a green, like yellow does with black. I'm pretty excited about this. My first time using that 24K. Wow, I am liking it though. Let's see if I can give you let me try it again. Okay, see if I can give you a full from this side. From the kind of galaxy side. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. So, that's it for me tonight. I am officially going to call it a night with taping. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week ahead. And be sure to subscribe and to like if you like. And post anything in the comments you like. Other than porn sites. That was dumb. Ew. And if you're on Facebook, you can join my group. It's called Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. And there you'll be able to see my work where it's dried, and I've taken pictures of it. And it will be in albums on there. So go ahead and join that too if you'd like. We'd love to see you there. Okay, you guys take care, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.